Hi guys, this is James from Devil's Paintbrush, and today I have another one of my Kickstarter videos. As I said earlier, I did 4 Kickstarters this year. The last 2 have arrived. I'll do another video later on, but this one was one I was really waiting for, the one I was most excited about. This is obviously the Plastic Soldier Company, British 25-pounder with Morris quad tractor, and they also tacked on the British and Commonwealth CMP 1500 weight truck, which I'm going to use for my desert forces, and the 2 packs of guns. One's going to be for Europe, one's going to be for Africa, because the choices you get in these kits are fantastic. And you are very lucky, because I have not even opened these yet. You and I are going to get the first look at the sprues that have just been sent to me. So join me in a second, guys, and I'll crack open the boxes. Hi guys, welcome back, and we're going to start with the 25-pounder and Morris quad, and also I think there might be something in here. I was right, and there should be some decals floating around. Anyway, let's get all these out. Right, as you can see, you get 5 sprues of each. So 4 sprues of each, tell a lie, that would be silly if it was 5. But also, as part of the Kickstarter campaign, you got a set of decals. I haven't opened them all. I think there's some desert ones in there as well. Although, you guys will probably know more than me and say, oh, those are the desert ones, James. Right, there's infantry division, and there's all the division markings. You've got so many there. There's a 3rd division, I know that for sure. There's Australian, there's New Zealand, there's Chinese. Oh, there's so many. So many. Anyway, put those one side. Also, as part of the Kickstarter, you've got these bad boys, which is white metal. And they are a command, perfect for Flames of War. So there's a stack of radios. We have officer, another stack of radios, big sausage fingers, radio operator, sitting on a crate, and last but not least, the officer in charge plotting on a map. So I got 2 of these, one in each box. Right, let's look at the instructions, because Plastic Soldier Company instructions can be a bit vague. They only show one variant, but there we go. That's the layout of the sprues. You've got your desert crew along here, and you've got your Northwest Europe crew down there. And then you've got the choice of the guns you can make. You can make the 17 25-pounder pheasant, which is when they first got the 17-pounder in, put it on a 25-pounder carriage, and it was great for taking out tigers. Then you've got the muzzle 25 Mark IV, which was used in late war. You've got a 25-pounder Mark 1 and 2, which was used in the desert. You've got the BEF, which again was used in the desert as well. And those instructions, they seem quite straightforward. When you get Plastic Soldiers gun kits are pretty straightforward. And there's the quad. Again, looks pretty straightforward. Right, without further ado, only one of each of these. Let's have a look at these lovely sprues. Right, so just get this to focus. So flip it over. Focus. Focus. Looks like we're not going to be able to focus. There we go. Right, so this is clearly Northwest Europe, and then down below here on this side you've got the desert. And we keep going across. You've got the limber up there with the doors, wheels, and the all important guns themselves. Different types of mountings, gun shields, the turntable, and the carriage itself. There you go. Zoom back out and have a look at the quad. As you can see, the mould lines on this are nondescript. There's going to be some around the tyres because there always are. But yeah, lots of lovely detail. Again, Plastic Soldier have done us proud. Right, so there you go. There's your 25 pounder and there's your quad. Focus. There we go. Right, join us in a second. I'll be looking at the 1500 weight trucks. Hey guys, welcome back. And as you can see, I've got the 1500 weight truck sprue in front of me. The box is considerably smaller, but we would expect that. And you get 5 trucks in this, which is perfect for early war and mid-war motor platoons for the British and Canadian and Commonwealth forces in general. So there we go. As usual, you get your 5 screws and your instructions. So put the box to one side, need the instructions and 1 sprue. Let's start with the instructions. On the back, you have a useful diagram with the numbers and a useful description. And on the back, there we go, a simple set of instructions. Easy to follow. You can have it open or covered. Very simple, very lovely kit. Right, let's have a look at this bad boy. Focus. I think that's the best we're going to get. Anyway, you can see the wooden slat on the flatbed. You can see the grille and the headlights. All the wooden slats. All the door handles and tyres. Again, mould lines are practically non-existent. I haven't found a significant one at all yet. So there you go. That was money well spent. Money well spent. And if, like me, you're into Flames of War, or you do what I do and play bolt action in 15mm, which is brilliant for having bolt action company level games, these are perfect for you. Any person who's collecting British or Commonwealth forces is going to love these. I love them. I cannot wait to use them. But as usual, my own armies take second place to commission work. At the moment I'm working on my AdMech, which hopefully will get done very quickly. I've almost finished the first unit ready and then started painting yesterday. And then I've got 3 jobs, one after the other, right away through until February, possibly March. And I've got one of my long-term clients keep sending me stuff all the time, which is brilliant. But I do not get a lot of time to do my own stuff. So when I do, I seize what I'm going to paint. And at the moment, it's my AdMech. I've got some early war tanks which I've already built and converted up from Plastic Soldier and Zvezda. So this is going to be a tank company with the artillery and infantry support. So there you go, guys. I hope you found this useful. I hope you are excited about this as I am, because I love Plastic Soldier and you should too. So as usual, guys, pop a like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll catch you next time.